What's up, YouTube? This is our old trailer for ATVs. It's a 6x12 open trailer, and I don't know why we didn't keep this one. I think it's because it's easy to like see the ATVs, and it's not that much room. It's not that much room, but we're gonna get a new trailer. The new trailer that we're getting is a Cargo Express closed trailer, and I think we're gonna switch to this one just because it's better built. It's closed, it's thicker, and it's just better overall. And the inside,
This is a 6x12.
6x12 enclosed. So this is the inside. There's a light here for the inside of the trailer, and then there's a vent right here.
And you got another vent, buddy.
Oh, and there's also a vent right here. I didn't notice that one.
About here, then also you have LED lighting.
LED lights, and it's pretty easy to pull up and close. And there's another LED light right here. So that shows it's not that hard to open or close. You just lift this up and pull this handle and then close it. The difference between the anvil and the Cargo Express is the Cargo Express is a little more thicker, and yeah, it's made better, and the handle is easier to put up. But there's another difference. There's like this flap here that makes it a little more easier. Yeah, and
I open up the side door for you.
And they both have this. I just forgot to show it on the other one. So this is a door. This is how you lock it, and then you flip it this way to unlock it. It's open. It's not locked. Try it now. Hold up, guys. Oh yeah, another light up here. And there's a vent at the top that you turn to open. Yeah. It is open. I don't know why it's not working. Doesn't that lock it?
There you go, bro. Yeah.
Thought I turned it that way. Yeah, I turned it all the way that way, and then I was pushing on this.
Oh, okay.
Pushing it down. There's and another difference between the trailers is this wood is different. This wood absorbs, or this wood doesn't absorb water. unlike this trailer, the anvil, this trailer has different wood that absorbs water.
$50 cheaper, $29.50. But I'm telling you,
And the flap is made out of the same wood that it is in the inside. You just lift it up, put it back down. The flap is, we don't need it, because if you put the flap down like that, the ATV could still roll up there and get up, but the flap is just like extra support. So overall, I would go with the Cargo Express just because it's thicker built, and just because it's easier to pull up the handles also. What I mean by that is, look how easy it is to do this, and then if I go to the anvil, it takes more power, but yeah, so there's also these not ATVs, there's also these trailers over here. I really like this one. It has nice space, and it's not enclosed though. It might be because of these, but it's not up here. Like how that has that little ring. It's kind of just up here, but you can like chain it up with this. So yeah. Gonna go back to those other trailers. And this is, I've actually never seen the inside of this. I think it might be the same wood for the anvil. It's PaceAmerica.com. There's an event right there. It may be harder to open. Danger, heavy door, stand clear. Yeah, but I don't know that for sure. And there's no door on the side. There's no door on the side. Like, as you can see, the Cargo Express has a door right here. And then for the anvil, there's also a door right here. So it may be just one thing that's different. But overall, I would go with the Cargo Express because it's heavy built. It's easier to pull up the handle. The vents are on the side, and it's just and it's enclosed. So no, it's not like, say if you see ATVs on this, somebody could just jump over it like that. But with that, you can lock the door and it's closed, so kind of just do multiple things with that. So yeah, that's the end of this video, guys, and bye.